Hello everyone. This is Will, aka Dr. Financial Literacy. This is day 23 and using Velocity Banking to pay down my debt. Velocity Banking in general is using someone else's financial resources to pay down debt or even grow your wealth. In this case, I'm using a credit card to bring down the debt in general by placing most of my check onto the credit card to bring down the average daily balance. So today, tomorrow, I'm getting paid about 2,000. That 2,000 is going into the bank. I'm leaving 500 in for the rent every 2 weeks. So that means I have 1,500 that I can put on the card. I'm putting $1,500 on the card. This 1,500 that I'm placing on the card represents all of the expenses that I have to pay. And these expenses are the electric, water, insurance, gas, when I get paid on the 21st. Then on the next day, when I get the second portion of my check, because I have direct deposit going in two places, I'm gonna then go out and pay for gas, shopping, personal items in general. That's gonna occur on the 22nd. And I still may have some room that's left over. But because I'm putting $1,500 on the card, I'm doing two things. I'm satisfying that monthly payment and I've lowered the balance. So initially the card was $6,553 and it's a little lower now, but in general. So I'm gonna take that 1,500 tomorrow, place it on the card. That's going to lower the average daily balance continually. Now it's lower than this because I placed the first check previously. So it's going to lower it some more. So rather waiting to the end of the month around the 28th or 29th and only making the payment of I think $210, I'm putting the entire 1,500 on it. That's going to satisfy that $210 payment. So it's killing two birds with one stone. And I've been able to lower the average daily balance over a few days. Now they're going to charge me a certain particular rate over each one of the average daily balance, but because I was able to put this on here now historically, what would have happened was with the 2,000, it would remain in the account until around February the 28th or the 29th, and then I would have paid bills. But now I have a different mindset. So as soon as I get my paycheck every 2 weeks, immediately it's going on the credit card debt. And this credit card debt started out as $6,653.03. And I put about 1,500 on it, so that lowered the average daily balance. But then when I go back to put my expenses on it, it's going to raise it back up, but it's going to be significantly lower than the 210 if I would have waited to the end of the month, because then they would have hit me every day for 28 days on the calendar. All the way up to 28 days on the balance. But because I put that 3,000 over a 28-day period, well, I get paid every year, over a 21-day period, it helped to lower the average daily balance. So again, Velocity Banking has been working well for me. It helped me to vary my consumer debt on the credit cards. So by the beginning of March, I'm gonna report back on how I did on the consumer debt. But once I saw how well I was doing on the consumer debt, I just started tackling my business credit cards. And I really like this system in general. And I encourage you to look at it. Take one or two of your bills and put them on a credit card early, the money, to wait to pay them later. And it's going to reduce your average daily balance immediately as soon as you put say $200 or $300 on there to sit. I started doing that with a client this past Sunday. We set her up with 3 bills: water, electric, and gas, I think. So she's going to try velocity banking, see how she likes it. It's new to her. She's single parent, and I think it was about maybe 24 thousand something in debt. But we're working to make it happen and see how it works. So not just only for myself in general, looking to help clients also. So if you're looking to get some help with your debt, improve your credit, please. My number is in the information. My email is in the information. I'd love to have you as a client and to work with you and to reduce your debt. Beyond velocity banking, there's a number of other strategies and tools that I have that I could work with you, such as authorized user, to use the card, wouldn't necessarily be using the card, but improve your credit as an authorized user. Two other strategies, taking the reward points, got that from Capital One. So I'm gonna add that also into the bank and then put it onto the card. Also received the prepaid Go card from Navy Federal. Some people say that you can pull cash off of it, and hopefully to save me with the cash advance strategy that I have been using with some resources. So I'm doing a lot of things, sharing with my clients, sharing them with you. If you have any questions, recommendations, please put it in the bottom in the comment section. And again, if you'd like to work with me, that I can help you improve your credit, definitely love to have you come along. All right, thank you very much. Have a great day.